very likely that there's limits on serverless functions, how much size they can be with all the imported code. It's like 50 megabytes if I'm not mistaken, and I may have surpassed that by importing a module which imports something else, and I'll just fix that now. I'm from Bulgaria, raised in Italy, and now I'm vibing all around the world, baby. Listen, Illuminati, do you have a song for us? I can play something for us. Maybe the best song you know. Is my mouse ready? Oh yeah, baby, I can mouse it up. So, the moment we deploy... Whoa, we couldn't! What's up? Yeah. So I've got this question by Sanjay Reddy, and it's about if Vercel is good. Honestly, for most things it's really good. Right now though, it's giving me pains. I'm deploying my latest changes, which I did just now, and it's complaining about the build. When building it on its side, there is like an import trace where it's just complaining, and now it's just hunting. Like, I have to hunt for the solution. I can't do anything else. I'm blocked by this. And it's happened before, and it's very likely that there's limits on serverless functions, how much size they can be with all the imported code. It's like 50 megabytes if I'm not mistaken, and I may have surpassed that by importing a module which imports something else, and I'll just fix that now. So good. I remember blazing so much in university and just vibing to this. Yeah. You see, everything that's runtime edge has this constraint. So it's very likely the new thing that I've created, which is this admin check. These admin checks. And I'll just double check all my runtimes, render real. Popping pills, man, I feel just like a rock star. I remember in university I had this dorm and people would just keep coming in and out, and we would be blazing. Like, I wouldn't invite them. They knew they were welcome, and it's such a vibe. So it's from MGML, centrification. That's so weird. Have I changed email stuff? Right. Oh yeah, this song is called Rockstar. It's again by Post Malone. This was like banging in 2018 or 2019. Popping pills, man, I feel just like a rock star. I remember passing the blunt to all the homies while that's popping, and I get like chills. Different times, man. Alright, so I'm very positive it's from this stuff. Let me go in there and see what's popping. Because we imported auth options, I think. They're used only in the new thing. So I'll do something quick and dirty. I'm not happy for this, but it's the limitations imposed on me by Vercel. I'm just going here and I'll go into I'll make this, or actually something like that's gonna work. So the idea is VS Code. Right, so I'm gonna place these here, and by removing the imports from this page, by removing them from here, I won't import everything from next.js, which is like bulking the bundle, and that should fix the issue. So we're kind of just moving things around so that when they're bundled, we don't surpass limits. Right. And then obviously I can import them through here. That doesn't change. When I come around... Whoa, no, not this. Session type. Give it to me. Right. Cool. And now I just need to find wherever this is imported and replace it with something like that. So I can replace with this, and this is why I love VS Code. It's just snappy, it's quick. And I can replace this everywhere. Boom! And I'm gonna run a quick fix all. So it fixes my imports, because I have ordering being set on the imports, where I import like the server things first, and then I import packages, and then utils, and I can actually show you while this is running. So if you go into the prettier config, and if you're not using prettier, and you're using VS Code and JavaScript related things, please use it. Your team will thank you. But yeah, you can see I'm importing the plugin from Trivago to import sort, and this is the order it follows. It's really cool. And VS Code has a plugin for Prettier, which is also very helpful. Right, so we fixed the imports everywhere. That's good. You know what? I would go a little bit back in time with some 41. Yeah. She's in my blood, I reside in my nightlife. My favorite color's candy apple. Am I gonna find the song though? Oh, this one is good, but this one is classic. Let's do both. And also while I'm here, might as well do some Bullet. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, cool. So this is done. I'm gonna run a type check. So I'm gonna use TypeScript to just tell me if something's looking sus. And you'll see in a moment how that looks like. I don't think my IDE allows you to. I mean, it looks like this. Yeah. Sanjay, if you have a song for me, brother, share. I'm gonna play it. And if it's really good, I'll add it to my playlist. Totally optional. Won't judge your taste. Actually, one of the ways I get really good songs is by friends suggesting them to me. Right. So I can replace this with this again. Sweet. And now I'll do a type check first, and then I'll do a fix again for the ordering of the imports. And then the really fun bit's gonna follow, where once we deploy, we'll be fixing the rails, because those are automated. Right. Right. I'm gonna move these outside. Something like that. And this way, no dependency bullshit is gonna come my way. My cat was doing stuff. Great. Oh man, Sum 41 have such a distinguished voice. Like a vibe to the band. So good. Right, so we got this here, and now we need to replace it everywhere else. Too deep and I'm trying to see. Oh yeah. Cool. And having done this, our type check should pass. And if it passes, we order the imports, because you know, OCD. And then deploy. And we should have fixed that issue. The first time it happened, I was wasting so much time with it, so I hope I've learned my lesson there. Great. Love going under. We all gonna die. We're all gonna die by AJ Smith. All right. All right, this passed. Said I'm going under. I'm going under. Right. We can close this because we fixed the issue. We can close this. And let's go to the logs because we'll be checking the reels